elections around the corner. Let us face each other. I will contest in Panjim, you also contest in Panjim. I will send you packing this time. Enough is enough. People of Panjim have realized what you are. You have done nothing for last 2 years. Even in ward number 6, the drain of 18 lakhs, which the PWD had given work order to contractor Jayesh Dharwadkar, because the flooding is to take place from Kamath complex till Kamath estate. You have blocked that, saying that G Suda will do it. Meantime, that area is flooded. Panjim is flooded. You did nothing. You were zero as an MLA of Panjim. So don't try to interfere with me, Mr. Babus Munsarat. This is a call to you. Never interfere and stamp on my tail. You try to do that thing, I put a panel and I showed to you what Suren Furtado is.
Do you think like this is...
The elections around the corner, he is trying to interfere in my ward and my wife ward and Jewel Andra's ward. He is not sending us tree cutters, not sending us pruners, not sending us trucks. These same people will, where he is trying to deprive us, will show him in the ballot box. Few months are left, Mr. Babus Munsarat. Your days are numbered.
So, are you also...
You ask your son to run the corporation properly. With 25 people, you can't run the show. It's in a mess, total mess. CCP is in a total mess. Pay parking is in a mess. You have not given the passes to the residents of Panjim. You have been ruling CCP for last 15 years. You have only took CCP for ride by putting all your voters in the CCP as workers. I have been in CCP for more than 25 years, but I have never seen such a council which is presently being run by the present young mayor, Mr. Rohit Munsarat, son of Mr. Babus Munsarat. He is flying on the shoulders of his father, who is the MLA of Panjim. Nothing is moving in CCP. Administration is zero level. Commissioner also, if he is told to bend, he crawls. You will recollect that Mr. Babus Munsarat tried to break my ward and my wife's ward of Miramar into bits and pieces. In spite of that, I got all my three candidates elected in Miramar area. So much so, Babus could not stomach this thing that I won my 3 wards of Miramar. After that, he could not get sleepless nights. Though he got 25 seats, he was upset that I and my wife won. After that, immediately he appointed 2 defeated councillors as co-opted councillors of CCP, and he tried to use these 2 defeated councillors to do work in our wards, which is wrong. I am telling Mr. Babus Munsarat, don't stamp on my tail. When somebody stamp on my tail, it's very dangerous. I will not take it lying down. You are an MLA, look after the MLA. We are elected as corporators, let us do work corporators. Don't make co-opted councillors do work. Today, one of the co-opted councillors went to one of my, in my ward, ward number 6, with the car of the deputy commissioner to do the vaccination. I have already 8 days back informed all our voters of ward number 6, 8 and 9 that senior citizens who can't go out of the houses, who are paralyzed, should give the names so that the BLO will bring the doctors for vaccination. I have been told that the defeated co-opted councillor of ward number 6 takes the CCP deputy commissioner's car along with his daughter and goes with a doctor for vaccination. Please understand, Mr. Babus Munsarat, this is not a BJP vaccination center. This is a government of Goa vaccination. Don't try to bully me.